Hello friends, myself Manjusri Gunjagaonkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to study about antidepressant agent. So, antidepressant, these are the agent which are used to elevate mood. These are also called as a thymoleptic agents. Classification of antidepressant agents are: it is classified mainly into four classes. First one is typical tricyclic antidepressant. Second one is MAO inhibitor, that is monoamine oxidase inhibitor. Third class is atypical antidepressant, and the fourth one is miscellaneous. So first, typical tricyclic antidepressant, again divided into, or it is having a three subclasses. First one is immunodibenzyl derivative, example imipramine. Dibenzoxazepines, example doxepin. Benzocycloheptanes and related compound, example amitriptyline, nortriptyline. Classification again continue with that. Second class, MAO inhibitor. It is divided into two classes, hydrazides and non-hydrazides. Hydrazides derivative, example phenelzine. Non-hydrazide, it is again subdivided into two types, cyclopropylamine and sympathomimetic. Cyclopropylamine, example is tranylcypromine, and sympathomimetic, example dextroamphetamine. Next class is atypical antidepressant or second generation drug, for example dibenzazepine and iprindole. Miscellaneous class, it is again having two subclasses, beta adrenoreceptor agonist, for example salbutamol, and second one is thyrotropin releasing hormone, that is TRH. So first we are going to study about imipramine, which belongs to a class of tricyclic antidepressant. Structure is as shown here. The chemical name is 10,11 dihydro 5 3 dimethylaminopropyl 5H dibenzo bf-azepine ring. This imipramine is having dibenzoazepine ring, and on the fifth position of this dibenzoazepine ring, it is having 3-dimethyl aminopropyl group substitution. Physical properties: available as white or slightly yellow crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste followed by numbness sensation, freely soluble in water. Stability and storage: it is affected by moist air and light, so it should be stored in tightly closed or airtight light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat depressive illness, anxiety disorder, anorexia nervosa, pain, nocturnal enuresis in children, phobias, and hyperactivity and attention deficit disorder. Next comes catalepsy, also treated by using this drug, and allergic conjunctivitis. Formulations of imipramine are imipramine tablet, capsule, injection, mixture. Brand names are Impratab and Depsonil. Next drugs, amitriptyline. It is tricyclic antidepressant. In this, the central ring is 7-membered, which doesn't contain any heteroatom. Physical properties: available as colorless or white crystalline powder, odorless with a bitter taste and burning taste followed by numbness sensation, freely soluble in water and alcohol. Stability and storage: it is oxidized by air in presence of moisture, and this reaction is catalyzed by metal ion. It is also affected by light. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Suitable sequestering agents or complex forming agents like sodium EDTA is also added as a stabilizer. Uses are it is used in treatment of endogenous depression, anxiety, nocturnal enuresis in children, chronic tension, headache, chronic pain, used for prophylaxis of migraine pain, anticholinergic, and it is also having the sedative property. Formulations of amitriptyline are amitriptyline tablet injection, amitriptyline and perfenazine capsule. Brand names Amitrip and Triptanol. Next drug here we are going to see is nortriptyline. It differs from amitriptyline in having a methyl amino group. Nor means absence of methyl group. So it differs from amitriptyline in having not having the methyl amino group instead of dimethyl amino group. Means here one methyl group is less as compared to amitriptyline. Instead of having the dimethyl amino group, here it is not having that dimethyl amino, only single amino group, methyl group is present. Physical properties: colorless or white crystalline powder, odorless and has bitter and burning taste followed by sensation of numbness, sparingly soluble in water, stability and storage affected by light, hence it should be stored in well closed light resistant container. Uses are: it is an antidepressant used to treat endogenous depression, anxiety, nocturnal enuresis in children, chronic tension, headache, chronic pain, used for prophylaxis of migraine pain. It is anticholinergic and it is less sedative. Pharmaceutical formulations of this nortriptyline are nortriptyline tablet, capsule, nortriptyline and fluphenazine tablet. Brand names are Primox and Sensible. Next class of the drugs are hydrazine derivative, and from that we are going to study phenelzine. It is phenyl ethyl hydrazine derivative. The structure of phenyl ethyl hydrazine is as shown over here. Physical properties: it is available as white powder or purely platelets with a pungent odor, freely soluble in water and very slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: it is affected by air and light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used as antidepressant, used in treatment of depressive disorder like psychotic, neurotic, including atypical depression, anxiety state, phobic state, obsessive disorders and chronic pain. Formulations are tablet and brand name is Nordine. Next drug here is tranylcypromine, which belongs to a class of cyclic amine. It is cyclopropylamine derivative. The structure is as shown here, in which the phenyl radical is attached at second position. Physical properties: it is available as white crystalline powder, odorless and has cinnamaldehyde like odor with a acid taste. It is soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, and its trans isomer is therapeutically active. Storage: it is stable drug. Uses are: it is antidepressant, so used to treat depressive disorder, anxiety, phobic state, obsessive disorder. Formulations of tranylcypromine are tablets, tranylcypromine and trifluperazine tablet. Brand name is Pernet and Pastelline. So this is regarding the antidepressant agent. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.